हेलो एंड वेलकम टू एवरीवन। आज भी मैं लैंडिंग पेज ही कंप्लीट लेकर आया जो एग्जैक्टली आपको फर्नीचर स्टोर बेस है, यानी फर्नीचर की जो बिजनेस वगैरह उसमें से रिक्वायर्ड जो अगर वेबसाइट आप डिज़ाइन करते हैं फ्रंट एंड, तो वो कुछ में भी आप अगर इस तरह डिज़ाइन करते हैं तो आप यू कैन डिज़ाइन लाइक दिस। ठीक है, जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं नेविगेशन विद द हूवर एंड सम हीरो सेक्शन विद द बटन्स ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टाइल। और इसमें आप देख सकते हैं अबाउट सेक्शन में एक वीडियो है जो बाय क्लिक ओपन प्ले हो रहा है, एंड देन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द कंप्लीट वीडियो यू विल सी इट विल गो बैक टू द आपका स्टार्टिंग में यानी थंबनेल विथ प्ले बटन बैक, एंड देन वी हैव सर्विस सेक्शंस एंड देन वी हैव गैलरी, और फिर लास्ट में हमारा फुटर है विथ फॉर्म। और इसमें एग्जैक्टली थोड़ी सी इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि आपको सिंगल पेज जो डिज़ाइन होती है जो कनेक्टेड टू सम सेक्शंस वो भी कुछ इफेक्ट है। जिस तरह ले सपोज दिस कॉन्टैक्ट, तो आप कॉन्टैक्ट क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर्म पे ले जा रहा है। उसी तरह आप अबाउट सेक्शंस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो ये अबाउट सेक्शन पे लेके जा रहा है। ठीक है, एंड देन वी हैव अदर सेक्शंस आल्सो कनेक्टेड लाइक अ गैलरी, देन वी आर कनेक्टेड टू अ गैलरी। सो दिस इज लाइक सिंगल, ठीक है, सिंगल पेज का भी इफेक्ट है, देन मल्टी पेज आप इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट देन क्रिएट। ये हमारा डिज़ाइन है पूरे का, तो विल ट्राई टू अचीव दिस वन। चलते हैं सबसे पहले इसके हम VS कोड पे। जो रिक्वायर्ड इमेजेस है, जो आइकन्स है, मैंने ऑलरेडी अपने पे क्लिक कर लिया है, देन वीडियोस आल्सो। देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर द HTML फाइल लेट्स गो फॉर इंडेक्स, and for styling we need CSS, and for Java we need JS, and today title will be furniture store landing page. Let's connect the script, then CSS, and this will include header and hero together. And then we have container, inside we have header with raw, logo। HTML पार्ट मोस्टली आप प्लेसिंग आप किस तरह प्लेस कर रहे हैं उस पर है। ठीक है, तो HTML पार्ट पे में भी आपको उतनी एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं चाहिए। CSS में भी आपको रिक्वायर करेगा, तो CSS में अगर कुछ चीज़ मैं नया ट्रिक्स अगर आपको दिखा रहा हूँ तो आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन दैट। बाकी आप HTML आपको भी आइडिया, अगर आप बेसिक नॉलेज हैं तो आपको ऑलरेडी आइडिया होगा कि बेसिकली आप इस तरह किस चीज़ को आप कहाँ पे लोकेट कर सकते हैं। प्लेस करने के लिए आपको HTML रिक्वायर्ड करता है। Then we have nav with navigation, and raw, UL with raw। इसमें लिस्ट होगा जिसमें A tag, हमारा A tag home, and then we have blog link, contact, and let's skip the ID name also, contact। एग्जैक्टली ये हमारा नेविगेशन है। मैं I forgot to put the tag, so let's put it in navigation है। Let's go for first of all navigation design, पार्ट बाय पार्ट हम जाएंगे। एग्जैक्टली जो हम पुरानी वीडियोस में फॉलो कर रहे हैं सेम वे। सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए इसके लिए फॉन्ट। हमारा फॉन्ट है इसमें जो रिक्वायर्ड फॉन्ट है मैंने ऑलरेडी इंपोर्ट किया हुआ है, तो लेट्स कॉपी दिस वन एंड कनेक्ट टू CSS। copy the font family. चलते हैं common CSS पे, so exactly all over pages हमें चाहिए. After, before, box sizing for box, font family, font weight 400, margin 0, padding 0. Then HTML, scroll behavior will be smooth, and body, इसमें हम कलर बाहर डिसाइड करेंगे. First color is white, second color is black but in light room 2929, and then we have blue, then we have टोटल हमारा 4 इसमें भाग है जो कलर्स वगैरह यूज होने हैं. एंड देन बैकग्राउंड विल फॉलो द background, और इसमें हमारा जो टेक्स्ट होगा वो कलर फॉलो करेगा आपका पार्ट 2. नाउ लेट्स कंप्लीट द कॉमन CSS. इसमें हमारा मैक्स इमेज का मैक्स विथ 100%, width भी 100%, object fit hover, and for a tag display inline block, text decoration none, transition 0.5 second is an out. Then we have UL that will have a list style none. Now let's write the common classes. Display flex, and then we will be having flex class 2, so it will follow the flex wrap rule of wrap, gap with the clamp, responsive till clamp 2em, 5 with 5em, and then we have flex, इसको हम gridify करने के लिए flex 1:1 25em, and then column have the display grid, and we have last one, the common class is container, that will follow the max width of 90%, and to put that one in center, that will be margin 0 auto. Let's copy this tag. कंप्लीट टैग के बाद में हमारा section that will have easy background, so header copy paste in. सबसे पहले हमारा पेज क्लास है, will have position related, will follow the background image URL of image 1, and then background repeat no repeat, background position will be center, and background size will follow the curve of child index 1, margin bottom 2em. Now busy will have after, that will have the position absolute, content blank, top 0, left 0, background will follow white, 0.6, and then width 100%, height 100%, child index -1, and then send. Let's go for navigation. इसमें हमारा header, as always align item center, justify content space between, gap 2em, and then we have logo. Inside we have span, so logo and span will follow the front page of 800, font size glam 25 pixel, 5 width of 40 pixel, and then padding top 0.3em, and text transform uppercase. Now logo के inside जो span है उसकी color will follow the bar 3, and then we have nav UL, इसमें gap 2em, and nav li will have position relative, cursor pointer, text align center, padding top 1.5em, left right 1em, top 1em, and then child index 1. इसमें हमारा nav li will have after, same nav li will have before, content 0, position absolute, inside 0, height 0, width 100%, child index -1, transition 0.5 second is enough. Now for nav li before, we'll have background and height of 100%. When nav li get hover, then after, same way when nav li have active class, and after you have to put active too, so let's put the active class. इसमें फर्स्ट वाले में हम क्लास एक्टिव then it will be height 100% and background part 3. So now we have nav A that have font weight of 500, font size 20 pixel, text transform uppercase, and nav li get over उसकी A, and when nav li have active class, then inside A the color will have R1. Now let's go for JS. इसके टगल भी इसके बनाना पड़ा. So navigation lab function with toggle menu, and then we have same toggle menu is called to document query selector. We have the class toggle menu. Let's copy this one, and then navigation will be same. We have toggle menu with class list of toggle that will have to hit active and same for navigation. अब चलते हैं exactly इसके media query पे. So let's go for media query. Media media screen minimum width 1300 pixel पे. Let's first of all decide the container. Max width 1245 pixel, and then busy after we follow the width of 50 pixel. Now iterate media screen and max width. ये हमारा max width मान लो 900 pixel. Then we have header that will follow the padding of button 1em till 0. Right, we have toggle menu, cursor pointer, background is हमारा URL that will be open, background repeat, no repeat, background position center, background size 30 pixel, width 30 pixel, height 30 pixel, and then we have z index, and then we need a transition also तो ट्रांजिशन एज ऑलवेज हमारा बैकग्राउंड साइज पे है, तो कॉपी दिस वन, पेस्ट इट, 0.5 सेकेंड में इज एंड आउट, एंड देन वी हैव toggle menu active that will have the position of fixed right side 5%, and then background image भी change होना है इसमें, so it will change to close, and then background size change होगा 25 पिक्सल तक। ठीक है, now we have nav, then nav we have position absolute and set 0, margin auto, line item center, justify content center, minimum height 0, opacity 0, transform scale 0, and then when nav have active class in it, the position fixed, minimum height 100%, opacity 1, and then transform scale 1. So we need the background that will follow the bar 1, set index near to toggle menu, and now nav के inside UL है तो इसके flex direction डालो। So we got complete design of navigation। अब चलते हैं हमारा हीरो सेक्शन पे। Let's go for हीरो सेक्शन। हीरो सेक्शन that will have the hero and raw class. Inside we have hero content, h1 with the span, ball pin, the culture with furniture. We have rolling, and then we need a paste button, so it will be a paste button with raw class. The title we see our gallery, and this will have the gallery ID connection, so this is gallery. And now we need the icon, तो icon हमारा SVG में है, right arrow, इसको भी this one, paste it here, let's see how it looks. So our hero section HTML I think complete है, so let's go for design through CSS. Hero section, we have hero class that will follow the line item center, minimum height calc में होगा तो 100 ph रहना है, by subtracting header, तो header 62.4 pixel. You can see how much our header height is. 64. Okay, let's subtract 64. 64 pixel. So it's 100 BH. Then we have hero content that will have the max width of 550 pixel. And there is H1, and H1 have span, so both will follow the same font. So font weight will be 800, font size is in clamp, it will be a 40 lowest, in 10 view width it will be 80 highest pixel, and for the line height let's follow the font size 5 pixel and 5 pixel increase. And for H1 span we'll keep the same color of this logo. Now we have p tag, जिसकी font size होगी 18 pixel and padding 1 em, top button left by 0. Now we have page button. Page button as a pointer, font weight of 500, font size 20 pixel, and then fill R2, text transform uppercase, line item center, gap 0.5 em, max width, max content, and then in the transition 0.5 second is an out. I think we done with this one. Also not needed. Now पेज बटन जब होवर होना है तो उसके कलर बार चेंज टू 3 and fill bar also change to 3. Page button is busy. We'll have the transition of 0.5 second is an out. When page button get hover, so SVG skip transform translate X will have 10 pixels. You can see this is all the paste button CSS, and I think we have completed the hero section. अब चलते हैं अगले पार्ट पे. हमारा अगला सेक्शन है अबाउट सेक्शन. Section with about class and about ID. Then we have container with S2 about us, p tag, lorem, again p tag with lorem. Then we have same paste button, just copy this one. Read more title, and then we have video section, video tip. Let's link the video inside. Then we have video thumbnail with raw class. Inside we have image img2. This is our HTML for about. अब चलते हैं CSS पे. So let's go for about section. About with padding 2em top bottoms f0. And then we need S2, position relative, font weight 700, and then font size will be in clamp 25 pixel, 5p width 35 pixel, and then line height that will follow the font size is 30, and this one is 40. Letter spacing of 0.2 em, and then text transform capitalize, text align center, max width, max contain, margin 0, auto. And we will be having padding bottom of 0.25 em. S2 पे भी हम अपना after with content length, position absolute, right 0, left 0, bottom 0, margin auto, width 50%, height 5 pixel, and then background we'll have bar 3, and then let's put the border radius start page. This is our S2. Now go about P, text align, will follow the center rule, and for about P plus P padding to have 0, 0, 1 em and 0. Then about page button will have margin 0 auto. Now we have video that will have the position relative, margin top 2 em. Now we have video thumbnail that will have position absolute, inside 0, margin auto, width 100%, height 100%. Video thumbnail IMG will have height 100% and object width. Cover is already there, so no need to put. And inside video there is video tag that will follow the width 100% and height auto. Now we have video thumbnail. इसमें हमारा वीडियो लगेगा, so after के बाद position absolute, content empty, insert 0, margin auto, width 80 pixel, height 80 pixel, and background image will have play button, so background repeat, no repeat, background position center, background size, contain, and this will have cursor pointer. Okay, and we need the denon class. So let's remove the display node. denon js से हमारा ये एक्चुअली ये थंबनेल को डिस्प्ले नोन करना है, फिर बैक टू नॉर्मल करना है. सो लेट्स गो फॉर द js के लिए ऑलरेडी मैंने पिछले कई वीडियोस में ऑलरेडी मैंने इसको कोड लिखा हुआ है. सो मैं जस्ट यहाँ पे कॉपी करूँगा, थोड़ी देर के लिए स्क्रीन में आपके लिए होल्ड कर देता हूँ. सो you can copy that too. This is video thumbnail. Denon, that is, this is denon. continue. So you can see this is the JS we required. So let's go back to, let's check that how it looks. Let me save this. Okay, it's working. Now let's go to another section. Our another section is service section. Section with service container class and service ID. This will have S2. Our service, let's put the p tag lorem, and then we need raw flex. This will have the IMC plus, inside we need the miss. Then we need the content div. इसके अंदर हमारा कंटेंट होगा. So furniture design, and then we need a button. Let's copy this button. This is all we need, and let's copy this again. क्योंकि another div same है but little bit changes in HTML placing, and this will be a image 4 and title will be interior design. चलते हैं exactly इसके CSS पे. I think this much is only required here. So our section have service class, और service में हमारा service will follow same adding rule. Now we need the service service flex will have padding top 2 em, and then service flex plus flex flex wrap reverse. Now another we have class, it's called content, that will be align cell center. Inside we have S3 tag, इसकी font weight 800, font size blank 20 pixel, 5p width 40 pixel, and then line height. Follow the font size, it's 25, 45, and then text transform will be uppercase. So this is our service section. is also completed. Let's go towards the another section. हमारा दूसरा सेक्शन है गैलरी. Section with gallery and container, and then gallery ID. Inside we have h2 tag with our gallery, and then gallery cards with column, and then we have gallery card with raw class. Inside we have image, this will be img 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we need button. So let's copy the button, copy this, this will be z button class, move, and then this is 11, total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards. Now let's go towards the CSS. ये हमारा gallery section complete हुआ HTML, and let's go towards the CSS. The section name is gallery. Same way gallery also need. Gallery, gallery cards will have create template column, repeat, auto fit, min max, 300 pixel, 1 fr, gap 1 em, and then padding top 2 em. G card that will have cursor pointer, position relative, overflow hidden, and then G card will have the after element content, and then with the position absolute, and set 0, width 100%, height 100%, background will have (0.25) opacity, and then we need a transition in it, so 0.5 second is an out. G card get Hoover, the after will have the height 0. Okay, then we have G card inside there is image, so height will be 100%, transition 0.5 second is enough. When G card get Uber, then ing transform scale be 1.1. This is our button here for G button. Order 7 for mobile view. For mobile view the order 7 less. For the desktop view हमें इसकी minimum height पे इस पे डिज़ाइन करना पड़ा. So let's go for the desktop view. सबसे पहले हमारे desktop view के लिए G card gallery cards grid auto rows lab to 20 pixel and G card nth of type 1, nth of type 1, nth of type 4, nth of type 5, nth of type 6. This will have redraw of span 2, and then nth of type 3 will have redraw span of 4. Desktop view, the G button order will be initial. Let's check. This is our desktop view. Desktop view में ये है and then mobile view में normal look. ठीक है. So our gallery section is over here. अब चलते हैं दूसरे section पे. I think this is our last section, footer. So footer side we have footer class with row, flex, container. Then we have footer content with column. Inside we have a tag. We have footer links. Inside we have logo. Let's copy the logo. And then p tag. Then we have div that have links with h4 header, company, ULI with a tag, products, about us, services, gallery, about, this. This is gallery. Now another div, again with h4 tag that have about. You will apply a tag with terms and conditions. Privacy, policy, track, and then the last is location. This is footer links. Now another div we have media links, h4 tag with connect with us, your M9. Then we have raw class. Inside we have a tag, just put the icon inside. Facebook, then we have Google, then we have Twitter. So this is our footer content. Now let's go for another div. This is our div with contact ID. Is to contact us. Then we have form with column class, form with column class, then label of the title name, input with text, and then label with email, and then input that can take email, and we have label your message. Now we need the text area button that will have the submit of the form. So total footer HTML I think we have completed. ये हमारा footer का HTML था. Let me check one more time. Yeah, I think we have completed the HTML. Let's go towards the CSS for design. So हमारा है section footer. Footer will have the background bar 3, heading 4 EM, left right 0, margin top 2 EM. Now we have footer content, align item center, space between align item. Now this is the footer. Okay, we need this will be stress, it will be align contain space between, and cap will be 2em. I think सबसे पहले I think इसकी कलर हम इसमें चेंज कर देते हैं. It will be difficult to see what changes are going on. So let's put the footer key, logo, span, and then we need footer P and footer H2 will all have the color R1. Now we can see. Now let's go again back to H4, footer font weight of 500, font size clamp 20 pixel, pipe view width 30 pixel, line height 25, 35, and then color bar 1. For here, footer contain H4 will have padding bottom of 1em. This is footer content. Okay, footer content include everything. It will be a footer. This will be a footer link only. Footer links. Let's copy this class. Footer links only है. तो अब इसमें हमारा footer links inside जो raw है वो होगा flex wrap and justify contain space between and then cap 2em. So you can see that, and ये हमारा flex wrap reverse होना चाहिए. Let's put that one here. फॉर्म ऊपर आना पड़ा. So this is footer. Yes. And then we have footer links and color, and then let's go for footer UL A. That will follow the font size of 18 pixel and text transform capitalize. Then we have footer UL A get hover and color bar will change to O. Footer UL li plus li lab padding top 0.5 em. This go at top. Let me arrange this one. ये हमारा H4 हुआ. H4 के अंदर हमारा put ULLI and then put the color everywhere. So let's put this one. Put A. Okay. So this will be also top. Above the footer. No, I think it's here. It's okay. Now we have media links that will have the row that's have line item, center, cap, 2em, and then we have media links A that will have fill bar white, and then when media links A get hover, then fill transparent and stroke will be bar 1. Now we have form. So form में हमारा gap 1 em, and then background will have bar 1, padding 2em, and margin top 2em. Then we have label, font weight 700, font size 18 pixel, color bar 3, and text transform uppercase. Then we have input from our text area, width 100%, border 1 pixel, solid bar 3, outline color is also bar 3, and then background transparent, padding will be 0.5 em. Now we have button because of pointer, font weight 500, font size 20 pixel, color bar 1, text transform uppercase, background हमारा bar 3, padding around 0.5 em, and then need a transition tool, so 0.5 second is enough. When button get hover, then background will be transparent and color will follow the bar 3. So I think these are the total complete footer CSS design, and if anything is remaining, let's check one time and then we'll edit it again. So everything is still now looks good. अभी तक जो भी है वो सारी चीज़ें ठीक दिख रही है, ठीक है। अब लेट्स व्यू वन बाय वन, इट्स वर्किंग और नॉट। सो अभी तक सब ठीक है। अब लेट्स चेक द रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस, हाउ इट लुक्स इन मोबाइल। Till now all thing are set good, इसमें कोई इशू अभी तक तो नहीं दिख रहा है, ठीक है। फिर भी चेक कर लेते हैं और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज। So this is our today design we have achieved। इसमें हमारा अब जो है कुछ चीज़ें वगैरह जो मे भी तो हमने शुरू में देखा मे भी हल्की सी चेंज हो, लेकिन फिर भी हमने 100% अराउंड 99% कह लें या 100% वी हैव अचीव। और हर बार की तरह मैं इस बार वीडियो में फिर कह रहा हूँ कि आपको अगर कुछ चीज़ें आपको डिज़ाइन में रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेरीज हैं तो आप मे बी आप उस चीज़ को पूछ सकते हैं। आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर, एंड इफ़ यू नीड एनी डिज़ाइन एक्स्ट्रा दैट यू वांट टू सी, तो आप उस चीज़ के लिए भी आप हमें बता सकते हैं। आई विल ट्राई टू डू द वीडियोज़ ऑन दैट टू ऑल्सो। So thank you for today video and see you in next video.